Here's a fuller picture of what's unfolding. As of August 7th, 2025, US President Donald Trump demanded that Intel's recently appointed CEO, Lip-Bu Tan, must resign immediately, calling him highly conflicted. This intense political pressure stems from concerns about Tan's investments and past ties to Chinese companies, including those with alleged military links. Here's the key points behind the controversy. Number one, alleged conflicts through Chinese investments. Trump's call came a day after Republican Senator Tom Cotton sent a letter to Intel's chair urging an explanation of Tan's connections to Chinese firms. Cotton raised alarms over national security and whether Intel can be trusted to manage taxpayer funded programs securely. Investigations revealed that either personally or via his venture funds, Tan invested at least $200 million in hundreds of Chinese advanced manufacturing and semiconductor entities from March 2012 to December 2024, some purportedly linked to China's military. Number two, Cadence Design legal fallout. During Tan's tenure as CEO of Cadence Design, 2008 to 2021, the company pled guilty to unlawful chip exports to a Chinese military affiliated university. The revelations have intensified scrutiny over Tan's suitability for leading a security sensitive U.S. tech firm. Number three, Intel's strategic and financial pressures. Tom took over as CEO in March 2025 amid Intel's worsening performance. He immediately set plans to reduce the workforce by about 22%, aiming for 75,000 employees by year end, and focus the company's investments. Intel is also a major recipient of federal support, having secured roughly $8 billion under the U.S. CHIPS and Science Act, raising additional concerns about whether the company remains a safe steward of U.S. taxpayer dollars. Number four, market reaction. Trump's statement triggered a sharp sell off in Intel stock, with declines ranging from 2 to over 5% during pre market and morning trading. Intel hasn't officially responded to the call for resignation, but has reiterated its commitment to national security and integrity within the U.S. defense ecosystem. What's at stake? This is more than a leadership controversy. It's a flashpoint at the intersection of corporate governance, technology, and geopolitical tension. Intel's ability to modernize its operations under Tom's leadership is now overshadowed by credible national security concerns and the optics of heavy political interference in corporate affairs.
Okay, as things stand right now, the underlying trend on Intel stock, okay, is looking neutral. It's looking neutral at the moment. Okay, so lower prices are expected to remain in place up till Monday, the 11th of August. Ultimately, what is expected to play out is a volatile contraction. Yeah, yeah, going all the way towards Wednesday, the 17th of September. We have lower prices. Let's see what we have. We have 18.05, 18.90, 20.26. Nothing to the upside currently, but previously, as of last week, we had projections all the way towards 27.75, 26.52, 24.53. Yeah, 27.57. There's also 29.19. This was as of the 4th of June. Yeah. So this is the company has to is well, there was an attempt to actually the stock was it bounced. It bounced yesterday. The no, it wasn't yesterday. It was on Friday the first. So the stock has actually been printing higher prices since the entire day, since for 3 days now. So was it 3 days? Let's see. It seems it's no, okay, at least 2 days, because just yesterday and today it printed lower prices. Today is the 7th of August. We have yeah, price pressure momentum is showing okay. Well, maybe the selling pressure is losing some of its edge, given the positive derivative we have here on its 21-day moving average. But we can verify what we're looking at by having a look at the 4 hour chart. It's going to tell us more. Okay, it's indicating that a bounce is going to play out up till Monday. So that's a reverse. That's contrary to what we saw on the 4 hour chart in terms of extrapolations. It's a divergence. Well, it's still, if you like, that you can still make a case that somehow the what happens here might be able to fit in into what we saw there, because the 4 hour chart, the daily chart prints at the close of every session, whereas this one prints every 4 hours. Within one trading session, it prints twice or thereabouts. It changes, yeah, it prints twice or changes twice or updates twice. So here we have, okay, yeah, seems, yeah, it's about right. We have the price pressure momentum is, even though the stock is down 3.53%, the 10 period moving average is in a strong trend mode, and it has a positive second derivative, robustly positive, but negative derivatives all the way on its 21 period moving average, and there's a negative second derivative on the 10 period moving average. So it's a mix of things. It's a mix of things. But the fact that we can see positive a 10 period moving average that is in trend mode is it helps, maybe indicating that all the other ones are gradually recovering from their negative situation. So currently we have, I think we have uptrends. We have we have upward projections on this 4 hour chart. We have 21.04, 21.83, 21.84, 22.32. Yeah, so we see previously it had 22.44, 23.23, 23.71. So let's see how this turns out. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, wow, it's the stock is active. Look at that for, okay, well, you can see that it's quite liquid. 619. It is, people are heavily trading the stock. It is heavily traded. It's for some reason, okay, it's not one of the most active at the moment. It's not on this list. It's not on this list. Yeah, but liquid's highly liquid at the moment. The market for the stock is liquid. Going by this, you can see this. You can see this. The lots in triple digits. It indicates there is a minimal aggression. Minimal aggression. You can see when you have the bots, the order book going through with single digit lots, especially ones and twos. Surely, it is the stuff of aggression. It is definitely as a result of aggression, or rather, that's how the order book of an aggressive market looks like. That's what it looks like in most cases. But if you're looking at an order book with triple digits or even higher, yeah, it tells you that there's a good chance there's a broad participation, and the broad participation includes those who are aggressive, those who have timed the market, those who have stops, limits, and all that. So yeah, that's what this sort of market, this sort of order lot or order book indicates. But when you have them in ones, there's a good chance it's aggression. People are using market orders to go through, and yeah, it doesn't exactly mean that that's absolutely what it is, but it's usually the case. When aggression is involved, the orders are going through on what is prevailing. if it's as it is now, whatever prints, that's what they want. They use market orders. So orders means give me what is on the market, to give me what is on the market. That's against limit orders. You say I want it at this price, and then you're willing to wait for days, hours. So yeah, all in all, let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. I think the Intel maybe is for now it's a challenge stock. It's a challenged stock. So let's see how things go. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.